In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Slack website. The specific link you'll need is https://slack.com/get-started/create-new. Just type that into your address bar and hit enter. You should be taken directly to the page where we can start creating your workspace. Once you're on that page, you'll see a field that prompts you to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email address that you'd like to use for your Slack account. If you prefer, you can also opt to continue using your Apple or Google account by clicking on those options. But for now, let's stick to entering that email. After you've entered it, click on the Continue button. Now, this is an important step. You're going to receive a confirmation code in your inbox. Make sure to check your email and look for a message from Slack. Sometimes it might take a moment to arrive, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once you have that confirmation email, copy the code it contains. Next, head back to the Slack window where you started the process. You'll see a prompt asking you to enter the confirmation code. Go ahead and paste in or type the code you received, and then click on the Create a Workspace button. At this point, you're doing great. After you click on that button, Slack will guide you through a few more prompts. This may include selecting a workspace name and potentially inviting some team members. Just follow the on-screen steps. Slack is designed to make this process as smooth as possible. Take your time to fill in each field with the necessary information. Once you've completed those prompts, you'll receive a warm welcome to Slack. This might include a friendly message and some tips on how to navigate your new workspace. You're officially in. Now, you may want to customize your workspace further. Slack has options for setting up channels to organize your conversations, adding apps for integrations, and managing user permissions if you have a team. Take a moment to explore all the tools and features that Slack offers. It can really enhance your communication workflow. One last thing. Don't forget that once you're in your Slack workspace, you can always check out the Slack Help Center for guidance if you have any questions later. There are tutorials, forums, and a wealth of resources available to ensure you make the most out of your Slack experience. So to recap, we started by going to the Slack website, entered your email address, grabbed the confirmation code from your email, and created your workspace. Then, you began the exciting journey of customizing your new communication hub. That's it for today's tutorial on creating a new Slack workspace. I hope you found these steps simple and easy to follow. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and happy collaboration.